Hi everyone. Okay, so I am going to do a let's look in my embellishment acrylic containers that I got at the 99 cent store, and that's what it's called. I don't think it's an and up, but it is an and up. So I don't know. I don't know if it's the one with the purple stripe in it. But this okay, so this is where I PL. It's covered because this is the one I'm working on now. Can't spoil that surprise. And I thought, well, let me show you what I did with these acrylic containers because I am in love with them. I love them so much, and I have been using wood veneers on all of my PL layouts since I've done this, and they were always sitting in a nice Home Depot um, storage, like when you store the nails and stuff. I had them all in there, and they were out of sight, out of mind. And I am not that kind of scrapper. I have to see everything in order to use it because I want to use it. I am one of those people who wants to use what I buy, and I love it. So this is I've been doing this for quite a few years now, so I have a collection. But and then it looks even worse because I haven't been using it because it's been out of sight, out of mind. But I have been slowly, having fun with it. So I'm trying to look through the viewfinder. This is my color cast, L Studio or LE Studio stuff. These are the big ones I use in my layouts. Netflix binge. I've yet to use some of these. I love these. These are so fun to use. And then I have the buttons. I just got the button maker. I don't use these enough, and I bought a button maker. Isn't that funny? It's just typical what I do. The wooden buttons. I need to use these more. This is just a little bit of random stuff in here. Sometimes I have random stuff in certain ones because this is like the Cocoa Daisy, Simon and Betty. And I haven't been using them in my other room, so I brought some of them over here to hopefully use more of them. So that's why it's kind of random. But and then I'll decide, am I using them at all or not? If not, I'll give them to friends. And then like this is the Cocoa Daisy. I've been using these though, and I left them in like this for now because it's just easier for me to see the back. But I take all these out, and I am a sifter. If you guys watch my videos, I sift through all my stickers. I sift through all my stuff, so I know what I have because I'm constantly touching it. Now these are all hearts. They're either like puffy hearts or resin hearts. So I love the hearts. So I have 4. I was going to say 3, but I just saw another one in the corner of my eye. So I have 4 drawers of hearts because that's what I use the most of is hearts. And then here, I'll just go up one. These are all the round. They're pretty packed, so I might have to move some around. I have 2 bins of these guys. And then I have 2 stars. Two stars. And I use the stars a lot in my layouts for and then what I did is I brought I use a lot of stars for my books. Let me finish the one sentence before I start another one. So I ended up putting all my little stickers like the Cocoa. No, is this? Yeah, some of these are Cocoa Daisy, and some are, yeah, these are all like Cocoa Daisy. I can't use them in other things, so I put them here. And then I have the random ones that we got, back in the day. I have Kelly Perkies. So I have a whole stack. I mean, this is a whole stack of Kelly Perkies, and I wasn't using them in my other room. So, well, not all of them are Kelly Perky. And I wasn't using them in my other room, so I brought them here. So this is all Kelly Perky, but then right here, I think these are, shoot, I can't remember who. But there's a lot of them have like little sayings on the bottom, so I'm gonna have to cut these out, and that way I can use them because sometimes I forget that they have little words on them, which I love using. Let me see. Yeah, these are all the smaller ones, so it's easier to store them in here. than it is other behind me in my alpha container. And then let's go up this one. Sorry, let's go up this one. This one's also Cocoa Daisy, which I brought out, which was the other looser. Is that looser ones? I think of loose skin, so I'm like looser. So yeah, Cocoa Daisy. And then this is all Kelly Perky tags. Like I said, I wasn't using it, so I brought them over here. And I'll tell you what, guys, I have been using them like mad. I mean, look at how many I go through labels so much because I love labels. And I use them. And I love them. And ever since I brought them over here, yeah, it's been gold mine. Some of these things I get from AliExpress, which I get from AliExpress, only the stuff that's not stolen. This is the stuff that the stores from here buy from China, because this is China stuff. So I don't mind buying that stuff. I'm really careful on making sure I don't buy stolen copyrighted stuff. So I really am. That's just me. Doesn't have to be you, and I'm not judging you, but I am not going to. So I love these. These are like the wings. Aren't they beautiful? This is all from AliExpress, and they were like $1 something, but I love them. They're so beautiful. And then I have more Kelly Perky. This one doesn't go in that. That one goes in another one. This is all Kelly Perky. This is all her alphabet sets. And I had a subscription. That's why I have so many of them. But all of that fits in here. So it's great. And then I have these, which are the sentiments. I have a whole sentiments bin, but this is like the little ones. This is where this goes. I don't know how that got mixed up. But I have like the single words that I use that came off of full-blown kits. And I just put them in here. So let's see. Usually I play with my stuff, and then I put it, it goes back fine because it can. Now, because I'm a reader and I log in all my stuff, I have a whole container just for the books and coffee mugs, because I love putting that stuff on my PL. But I have all kinds of them, so I love them. And I just got these off of AliExpress. The wood veneers. I didn't put them over there with the wood veneers because they go here with the books and the coffee. In my head, that's how I choose to keep them. So, yeah, this is all coffee and book related. So that way when I PL, I know what I'm grabbing because it's all together. So, I think puppies want to come in. Only Dory's in here right now. And I am a big football fan. So this is nothing but football stuff. I love it. And then this is stuff I got from like Ali over time. And some of it came off of like Freckled Fawn and things. Freckled Fawn, a lot of it was. This is like Tim Holtz right here. So it's a mixture of stuff. But Freckled Fawn, I found out, got these from China. And I'm like, okay, so they're cheaper if you get them from China. Even though you can support your small stores. I do. Believe me, you guys, I support all my small stores. But with certain things like this, I don't mind. It wasn't these came from Freckled Fawn. But, you know, when you get, let me show you. When you get a mixture of things like this, I don't mind that, because usually stores like to carry, 10 cupcakes, not just a single cupcake. Let me see if it's, there it goes. So that I don't mind. So that's kind of the stuff. But all these came from Freckled Fawn back in the day. So I've had them for years. So, and then I have buttons that I purchased just at, when they're on clearance at Hobby Lobby and stuff. So yeah, that's that. And I've been using those way more because I had them hidden and then I put them all in here, and now I've been using them all kinds. I'm telling you guys, having the acrylics in front of me helps me so much. It's unreal how much it helps me. But like most of this stuff came from AliExpress. Yeah, I mean, most of it did. Look, who do you think that's for? So, yeah, this little stuff like this is just fun. I don't know if you guys watch YouTube, but YouTube has a lot of It has a lot of rabbit holes for AliExpress when it comes to like resin pieces, and I love it. So here's more labels. This is like citrus twist. I have just single layers or single labels that, you know, came from different companies, but they're too small to fit into my bigger bin, so I just leave them there, and I love it. And then here's all my bows. You know how much I love my bows. So I have three bins of bows. So that's when I search for my bows. And then let's see, this one's nothing but arrows. So this is all arrows. And then I got this from AliExpress for my daughter. They're handcuffs and guns, little pieces like this that I just love, because my husband loves guns and my daughter is a correctional officer. So I got these things to put on the layouts every so often. I got this from a scrapbook garage sale that came as a bundle, and I just thought those are awesome too. I got these from AliExpress. Little labels, little tags. I love that stuff. And then here I have little random stuff that, because I'm a card maker too, so I get these little they're heavy duty little postcards. I love this retro stuff. I love it. It's just fun. I haven't used it yet. And then I got these from Allie because I was like, this is freaking reminds me of the Garbage Pail Kids. And you know, when we were younger, I used to collect them when I was younger, and I still have them with me. But this reminded me of that. So I got these from AliExpress. I just thought they were so cute. And then, let's see. And then I found grunge. I was going through my stuff and I found grunge. That one was stuck. So because I didn't have it. This is a little bit further. I have a bad body and it's a little further for me. So this is stuff I don't reach for all the time. So that's how come. Sometimes it gets stuck with the ribbon right here, but I just move it and it doesn't bother me because I just move it, but I haven't done it yet. Whew, okay, let's see. Yeah, like I said, I have to lean over further with these, and I don't really, so that's why it's a little painful. This is for my cards, the wood chips. I used the other half on my PL not too long ago, but this is all like wood chips. See, this is from what's it called? It's an online Scrapinique. That's where I bought this stuff from. And then I bought like the big doilies. I got these, I think, on AliExpress, and they're way bigger than I thought. You know, with AliExpress, you either get really huge or really tiny. It's rare to get a happy medium sometimes. It really is. So that's another one. Okay, so I'm leaning over one more time. Let me move this out of the way. Sorry, it's all over the place, but hey, that's what happens when you film with your hand. Let's see. So, and then here's just some random things I got from friends. Friends sent me these, and they're so awesome. And but I can't use all of them at once, so I just put them there and I grab them when I'm thinking about it, you know, that kind of thing. And then I ended up making, who knew? I didn't know that there was, I'm making a mess, that there was a thing called glue gun art. And so I just painted I made these with let me see if you can see. Is it too out of focus? Let me see. Let me show you a card I made. So anyways, I made these with the molds, with the pink molds you can get at Hobby Lobby. So I made those. I made a card for my friend, because I sell Tastefully Simple, and she bought some online, so I always give cards out. And does it look like there we go. And I made her, she lives in Monterey, so I made her this. And it's just so funny because this is all glue gun art. So with molds, I just loved it. And then this over here is clay though. This one's clay. So, and I haven't used that. I make this stuff for my cards, so that's why it's over here too. It's for my cards. Over here is the cork. I don't have a lot of cork because it's hard for me to use. so I don't have too much of that. And then here's all my metal. Let me put it over here, you guys. My metal pieces for my embellishment clusters I love making. This is what's in here. So it's just very easy. And then I just found these little, I think it's Bella Boulevard and Doodlebug. And now I have a place to find the specific puppy themes. So yeah. So I think that was all of them. I gotta get going because I gotta finish making dinner. And this is just sequins because it doesn't match because it's too small. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Want to see my mess? But this is what's in front of my desk right here. And it helps me so much. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.